Since we are not going to Maps, so she have ordered on Blinkit.
Daily beauty products.
So I am going for a small walk right now at Seolim, and also my car is due for servicing because it's almost 80,000 kilometer driven right now, and we do the servicing of it every 10,000 kilometers. So I have to give my car as well for servicing. Also, I will be giving my car most probably in the Agarwada. We'll need to keep the car there, and I will have to ask Swarada to pick me up to collect me to the home. So yeah. Also, Swarada is also at her clinic right now, so she is attending her clients, and so she is very much closer to me, so she can pick me. So we have now reached mechanic is not there. He will be coming. So we'll see what he is saying. So he is checking right now the car. So I have dropped my car over here for servicing, and he will be giving me at the evening. So the thing is, they have also provided me right side. So I was talking about they have also provided me a drops service inside it at my location. So local vendors are actually providing the drop and a pickup in the service cost itself. Yeah, very good actually. नहीं नहीं उधर ही छोड़ो डिजायर के पास इधर ही पीछे चलो थैंक यू So he dropped me just now over here. Where is she? Thing is, key left over with me. So here's the key. So he's coming again to collect the key. So nice of them. He came, let us hand over the key to him. चाबी रह गया. Thank you. So yeah, the car will get ready in the evening. Here I am in the clinic because the car where I have given for servicing is very close to the clinic, and she was here, so I came directly here. So also the great thing is they dropped me. Hello guys, this is actually a next day. So yesterday we had given my car to servicing, and I went into clinic, and afterwards my day was packed, so I could not shoot it. So yeah, today I'm back with my vlogging things. So the thing is, my car is still not returned back as the work got extended, and the mechanic told me that it will take some time. So tomorrow it will be possibly available. So still I did not get his call. So yes, so just now the video got uploaded on our Sunday thing, and yeah, y'all guys are giving some good response to our vlog, so thank you so much for that. Appreciate Okay. So we will just call that guy. Okay. Let's see what he says.
आपण ज्या व्यक्तीस कॉल करीत आहात ती व्यक्ती उत्तर देत नाही.
Let's see when he calls me back. So till then I do my work. And today we have a lot of plans. Like after finishing my office work, I have to go to one client meetup. As you know, I'm doing freelancing, so I have to meet the clients to take my meetings and all. So yes. So she is going to her clinic, and I am going to client meetup. So the thing is, I have to collect my car first. She will drop me to collect the car, and she will go to back to her clinic.
I was having clients, so they were very early, so I've already finished my work of the day.
It's actually 11:30 right now a.m.
11:40. So already I finished my work before 10 only, so it was early today. And now again at evening time I'll be going to my clinic too. Otherwise it is completing at around 1:30. Now I'm going with South. So it's roaming time, roaming.
Big time. That's our car. We have to pick up the car. Let's see if it is ready. Here. What are we? Since it will take another 15 minutes, so I will wait here and Surada will go. Surada went now, and I am here waiting. We'll pick up the car and we'll go to my. Car is finally ready now, and we are good to go. Chalo, let's go. There is pin over here. We will enter that. Okay, so yeah. So it's almost 1:45. I'm actually a bit late, but no issues. Okay, so I just finished with my work and I just got refueled with fuel. I just refueled the fuel also, and the thing is, the work was very tight, so I could not shoot. I could not show you anything. So finished with the work, both fueling, and now I am going to trim my beard because the beard is quite long right now and it's very unshapy. So we'll go into the salon. So yeah, meet you there. So guys, we are here in the clinic and she wants to go to Mapsa now. Now it's already 6 p.m. and we cannot go now because it will take us 1 hour to reach there, then do whatever we want to do, and then again come. So it will reach around 10 o'clock in the late night. So I told her that we will go tomorrow at 3:30 p.m. We will do as much as shopping and we'll come. So I don't know whether she agreed it or not. Tomorrow we'll go to Mapsa shopping. Okay? So guys, let's wind up this today's vlog. I hope you liked the vlog. If you liked, please
Comment, subscribe.
and give us a lot of love. This is Swara Hill Goan journey, Goan vibes with Swara Hill. Swaradam, Sahil, Swara Hill. Okay? So stay tuned for these kind of vlogs. So yeah, bye bye.